reloaders out there. It's 45LC coming to you from the Hot Lead Zone Express here at the range. And today we're going to go ahead and answer that question that some of you have, and that is, when you use fired hulls instead of new hulls from ballistic products, do you get any loss of accuracy or performance by using a once fired or twice fired or heaven knows how many times fired hull? Well, we've already done some work on this with 33 to 34 grains of Longshot powder and the Paradox Russian Slug, and we've kind of shown that you get a little loss of accuracy, but it's not significant. Well, let's do that again today with 30 grains of Longshot powder to see if we get more data on the use of fired hulls instead of new hulls to do our slug reloads. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll use our Thompson Center Encore 12 gauge rifle. Okay, shooting the Paradox Slug with 30 grains of Longshot at 25 yards. We're testing to see if using fired hulls loses any accuracy or performance. Paradox slugs at 25 yards using fired hulls.
At your right target, you're hitting just outside the frame.
$1,327 feet per second average. That's like 41 feet per second extreme spread. Standard deviation of 15, and it didn't quite shoot a one-hole loop down there. There's a couple of them that are a little bit outside instead of making it a one-hole loop. So
Ceasefire, ceasefire. Open all actions, remove all cartridges and vent all firearms. Take what you need for the target change and remain behind the yellow safety line. There'll be no handling of firearms or bench equipment during the ceasefire.
The Jinx did not hit. You got a nice one-hole 5-shot group down there. So, do fired hulls work fine? Well, if you take the first 5-shot group, it's a little bigger. It's not quite a one-hole group, so it's just a little bit less accurate than the brand. But the difference is not really significant.
Oh, okay. So it does exist apparently.
So to give you an idea, the last 5-shot group, after we got the barrel kind of warmed up a little bit, 1,314 feet per second, a spread of 18, standard deviation of 6. That's 6. 5-shot group with the slugs. Remember this. I was going to do a little more shooting, but I think I'll keep about 10 rounds of these on hand because you never know, I might get invited to do some hog hunting in the Bay Area hills. Lots of hogs up there, and this rig would be perfect for hog hunting, especially since it's so accurate with these Russian slugs. In fact, now that I know that the once fired, twice fired hulls are accurate also, maybe a little less accurate, but not really that much less, I'm going to go ahead and save these fired hulls. So show you the accuracy. So the first 5-shot group, I wasn't settled down, it's probably me. But the second one went into one hole, and this shot over here is actually right in the same hole as that one. So you could call that a 6-shot group. Longshot powder going at 1,330 feet per second, and that's different from the 34 grains of Longshot, which puts out 1,440 feet per second. So 1,330 feet per second is still pretty darn credible, and will take any deer you might ever run into. So take care. We had a good time at the range today. See you next time. Bye for now.